What is good, everyone? Hope you guys had a decent day yesterday. I know I didn't really post anything yesterday, but I was just kind of figuring some stuff out, trying to get some better entry ideas. But yeah, so we're gonna kind of see what happens today. Still haven't gotten my Mind Funded Futures live account yet, so still waiting on that. So yeah, I kind of switched up my setup a little bit here. You can see that I just have the 34 range bar chart and the 144 range bar chart kind of on the same page or on the same screen. But we actually kind of do get a setup here on the smaller or on the larger time frames. On the low, actually not really, got destroyed. Maybe not destroyed, but invalidated. Yeah, I was looking for a potential long in this area, but we didn't do it exactly how I kind of wanted it to happen, so I didn't really go for it. So let's go ahead and put let's see. I was gonna go put this indicator on to tell us the relative strengthness of the 144 candle. So let's see if we get our setup here. Without breaking that low. Nope, we ended up breaking that low, which is fine. Gonna put that indicator on each tick. Alright, seems like we're just gonna kind of go past this low. Yep, there it goes. 233. No. It seems like we might just be kind of going down. But down to where? I don't know, because right now we're kind of in a big low volume node area, like, because this is a price gap area. We can see from here, price just gapped up, so it's this whole area that we're gonna probably just gotta get filled. There's this point of control right here, though. Need to mark that. No, not weekly, but daily. Yes. Okay. Let's put this onto weeks. Yeah, you can also see that we have all this low volume right here. And what I'm thinking is, if this continues to stay low volume, this week ends, and this is all low volume, once price kind of retraces back into here in the 25,970s, we should have a decent rejection there. Yeah, I mean, we're still like in a retracement area to the upside, at least on the 377 R, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, I should have seen that we were gonna be getting some shorts. Yeah, I didn't realize on the larger time frame. I definitely see it now on the 377 with the 89R. Definitely see it, but we could still go for some short positions to this -1 area. That would be like our final target. But we are still in that retracement area to the upside. And if we do push a little higher than the 89 candle closes, which it just did, and we do get our little setup here, I just need to analyze it a little bit. Okay, yeah, we do get a close up there. Yeah, we could actually be pushing up depending on how this 377 candle goes. Ooh. I need price to go kind of low. And let's see, we are in that retracement area. We do kind of break below here. We are kind of rejecting here. Let's see. Yeah, if we get a close below here, I would not be opposed for the shorts. Yeah, we do get that close.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm gonna have my stop just above this high. Break even.
Order filled.
Okay, order filled. Nice. Yep, that was nice and quick. The reason why I like that one, we had this order block there. Actually, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm gonna explain in the recap. I would like to try to get another trade in. I'm just kind of looking at the larger time frames as well, seeing what's kind of going on there. Because looking at the larger time frame, I wouldn't be opposed for potential longs, but I do need price to kind of touch 72.75, so it needs to go a little bit lower than this low. I don't think price wants to go that low. Yeah, this was about a quick 1-to-1. That's good. That's what we're looking for. I mean, I guess not 1-to-1, but like, because I did move my stop up to here there. Yeah, we'll see what I tell you. I could see price going to the top side, but I wanted price to go to 172.75 which was a few points off of that. So this is, I'm gonna draw out the area that I'm looking at on the 89R, where I would like price to kind of come back to. And I guess we'll just extend it out till tomorrow. 72.75. At 72.75, let's say right down here. Oh, that's not, I can do it in this one. 72.75. I have to do it on this one because on my other charts, the bar and tick or whatever it is active. So with that, what I mean by that is whenever I try to draw something on here, it just like automatically locks to the low or the high or like the open and the close. Like look right there, you see. And if I was like to press right down here, oh, it's down there. If I was to press, all right, let's say if I pressed up here, it goes right there. You see? So that's pretty much all that is. But yeah, you see, I was told you we were looking for potential longs right there, but I need a price to go a little bit lower. I also gotta change its color to the 89R. Yeah, and I'm being very, very critical on my entries. I took one entry already, so I don't really need to enter again, to be honest. But if I see the opportunity, I would not shy away from it. Right now I'm looking at the 233. I'm trying to analyze to see if I missed anything on 233. But I did not. We got like half of our model play on the 55R and the 233, but I'm looking now after analyzing and backtesting yesterday and the prior days as well. I am adding in another confluence to my plan, my model. Excuse me. I think I'm actually adding like 2 more confluences that I have seen in the past that increases my win rate. And yeah, it might not happen as much, but I'd rather just take the good dubs instead of risking more. I'm gonna put my percent indicator on the 89 and the 55. I don't have it on there yet. Also, I gotta put it on my 233. But in terms of the 144 and the 34, nothing's really happening. Which are these 2 charts on the screen right now? actually curious to see what the 144 has been looking like. Let's see how in the relation to the 610. 610 has a big down close candle, and now we're kind of reaching into that retracement area. And what we did previously as well, you can see here, we did reach into that retracement area. Now where's the point of control in here? It's right here. Okay, yeah, price does touch it right here, but we didn't really do it one-to-one. Yeah, which is definitely why I like to move. If I was in this position, the one-to-one, I have more time to, I guess, really analyze the situation. And once we touch that 50% level right down here, I'm going to break even. Like, first we obviously retrace back into the zone, enter short, boom, break even right here as soon as we touch this retracement area, or, you know, secure profits as well. But yeah, I'm definitely not risking more than that. So it seems like this play kind of played out here. This was on the 144. Let me kind of draw it out. Now you can see we kind of are rejecting a little bit. We'll put it to 7. How's that? Alright, maybe 7:30. 1. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not interested in this 144 play anymore. It was interesting to see though. Let's look at the 377. We're in the retracement area to the downside, but I don't see anything good on the 89 in terms of our model play. And on the 233, nothing yet. We haven't gotten that candle close yet to the top side. We're in that retracement area on the 144. Let's see if we get our model play here. I wouldn't be opposed to getting into another short position around this area, especially if we get our model play. But as soon as we break these highs, yeah. I was gonna say, as soon as we break these highs, I don't think my model is gonna show up. I also don't think we have much data being released today. Economic optimism index at 810. So in 20 minutes, that might be something, but it's only like a 1 star. In terms of anything else, like there's really nothing. No data really being released today. I'm curious to see if that economic, what was it? Economic optimism index. I'm curious to see if that is actually gonna affect the market or something. Because I just feel like the market, or not even the market in general, but just the, like, optimism around the whole economy right now is not the best. It's not where it has been in the Yeah, so it seems like we might just keep pushing up. We do have a lot of area to kind of fill out. And what I mean by area to kind of fill out is just all this low volume node right here. It seems like we are kind of breaking these highs. And yeah, if we can definitely maintain it, we'll definitely be shooting up another 100 points at least. Yeah, not much happening here. No retracements, nothing. That's what we needed, is some sort of retracement in order to enter long or short. But nothing really happening as of yet. Yeah, we're just pumping right now. If nothing happens for another like 10-15 minutes, I'll just end stream. Oh, I gotta start trying to do a live stream on YouTube. That just makes my recordings a little easier. Yeah, we might just keep pushing up higher, because if we look at the 233, we can see that this green candle followed by the blue candle, it's telling me that there's decent strength. Blue candle, or a cyan candle, it's the relative strengthness between like different delta values. Same thing with this red one. This red one just tells me like, oh, potential reversal, but we're kind of going up, and then followed by another blue one. So I think we will be going up. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so nothing's interesting still happening. It's fine. Don't really see anything. You see what I tell you? We're just gonna keep skyrocketing. Yeah, I think ideally I want to try to do 2 trades a day, but 2 trades, you know, being like the winners. I think I'm kind of waiting just to see if price can get to this area at 960, so another 100 points up. And I want to see if we're able to kind of reject that area. If not, obviously I won't play that area anymore, but yeah, it was just something I was interested in looking at. I think in the meantime, while we wait, I'm just gonna play some chess. Let's see. Play some chess. Yes, I'm ready. I don't go first, he goes first. There you go. Alright. I'm not that good at chess, so I'm just trying to play this in the meantime. Low aggressive. If I move here, it's probably gonna take one of the pawns out. What do I want to do? I like going like this, actually. That's fine. I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, alright. I see you. If I go here, he takes me, I can take him. If I go here, it'll just be a quick, easy check. Okay, I was wondering what he would do. Let's go back. What? Let's move this guy to there. Ah, touche. Didn't see that one. I want to try to get his king, but how can I get his king? Because he's gonna move the king here. I need to block this guy. So I could move my pawn up here, but he's just gonna take it. Oh, we're getting a little bit of retracement now. Don't get a model anything. No model. We need to break these lows in order to get my model. Alright, so back to what I was thinking. Yeah, he could play this bishop here, or playing this queen there, then that's checkmate. Shit, I'm gonna move that guy there. So I'm gonna move that guy there to attack his bishop. Nice. I'm gonna move this guy there. Obviously, if I go here, then that's check. I would just had a decent move to the downside, but just cancels. Yeah, we broke the slow, so I'm no longer interested. I still have to develop these guys. He can easily just take this one for free, so I gotta move this guy. We're still not in any retracement area on the 233. Nowhere near the 377. So still just gotta wait around. Be patient. Alright, let's see. What is it that I wanted to do? He's got me in a good position. I think this guy's winning. Let's maybe move that guy there. Oh my god, I forgot I was gonna try to move my horsey. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna put him in check. It's fine. Okay, now I can move a lot more freely around the board. Whoa. I know he's in good position to take this guy. I'm gonna move this guy here. Let's see what he does. Interesting, that's what he did. Oh no. He's gonna be able to take this guy for free. That's unfortunate. Yeah. See? Took it for free. Yeah, I'd rather take this rook. I'm gonna force him to retreat. Okay, let me develop my horsey. We're also in. Oh, he's in check. Oh, that's unfortunate. He's gonna be able to take this guy. Shoot. Shit. All right, we retrace back to there. All right, yeah, I like this setup. If we have our model play here, I would not be opposed to going into shorts. We're kind of coming off a low volume node area. So let's actually see. If we get a close below here, and we have been pushing up higher like for a good amount of time, so I'm not opposed to, you know, trying to look for a nice quick scalp to the downside, that is. Okay, this zone is invalid. That was kind of loud, sorry. All right, let's see if we get a close below here now. Nope. As long as we don't break this high right here, then the shorts are still valid. Alright, let's see if this can be another down close candle and we get a close below there. Might have to, this might be deleted, not sure. If this forming candle is a down close candle, we do need one more down close candle. That will make it so it closes below the zone. I'm also curious, when is the 50% level here? It's almost been touched. Okay, we remove that. 50% level to the upside has almost been touched, but you can see that we did wick above here. So I do not have my model entry for the upside. And as long as we don't break this high here, we can still look for some shorts. Okay, this is forming candles, down close candle. We should be good to the downside. Now we're gonna get that push down is the question. Yeah, we're also kind of far away from these EMAs. Yeah, we do get that push down, which is nice. So, you know, I could definitely enter right now, but I want to wait till price comes into this point of control here. At 53. Okay, nice. We touched that, so let's see if we're able to get a close below this low. Once we are able to get a close below this low, then I will enter short. So this is like pretty much what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'll probably just pretty much target like a 1-to-1. Oh. Okay, we end up breaking this whole zone. So this is invalid. No more shorts. And you see my old model as soon as this down close candle was to the downside, like closed, I probably would have gone in long or in short, excuse me. And you know, see, we get stopped out. So now I have an extra, actually 2 confluences that I look at. Maybe 3, 2 or 3, depending on how you see it. But yeah, that's definitely gonna help me out for sure. So I would say if price can kind of get down to here, and we can kind of form another thing higher, we might be able to enter position long. But I don't like, I mean, we're still in the retracement area to the downside though. Because me personally, I do not see one of the confluences I need in order to go long. Yeah, we do get our model here, but it's not enough. So I'm curious to see, since we're still in that retracement area to the downside, I'm curious to see if we will end up like, you know, doing like another model here. Have another formation of the model. It's probably a better way to put it. This one I'm gonna kind of just put over here. This is down close, we have another model formation. It'll be curious to see if price does get down to this black level here. Okay, this is deleted because we wigged out to the upside. Let's see if this is a down close candle. If we close above here, it probably wouldn't be too bad for longs, but I'm not gonna risk it. Yeah, the reason why I'm not going to risk trying to go long here is just because we're still in the retracement area to the downside. If we are able to close above here, then it should be fine going long. Oh. Unless we have a close below here. Okay, we do not get that down close. Instead of closing up here, if we get a close above here, it wouldn't be bad for longs. I don't think I'll probably take it, but yeah, just something to be aware of. Still have yet to break this high. We did close up, so it wouldn't be a bad area to go long. I don't think so. It wasn't like a clean order block break, but I think it's showing that price does want to go up. So I could enter here. Say I enter at 77, right? We'd just be targeting up to here. Which price is looking like it wants to keep going up. Yep. See what I tell you. But I didn't want to enter. I'm being very exact with my entries. I do need to put the trade detector on here though. Trade detector, order flow trade detector. Let's put this to 30. Okay, so we're not in any area of interest anymore. Excuse me. Let's continue to our chess match. We are getting a little retracement though, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put the fib level there. All right, where are we? Oh yeah, that's right. This guy's gonna be taken. I need to get better at that. Oh, he takes him. I'm gonna check again. Dang, this guy's murdering me. He's gonna take that guy. Dang, I should have. Alright, game's lost. Game is lost. Game's over. How do I resign here? Resign. Rematch. Let's go. All right. You can see we're kind of nearing the 50% level, but we need more of a retracement. All right. Play the horsey out. Play this guy out. We'll play the horsey out. We haven't really been playing this horsey out too much. If I take him, he takes my horse. Play that guy out. Expected. Gotta protect my horse there. Touche. Alright, we're in that 50% level. Let's see if we can get a little bounce here. I think we're also in the 50% level on the 233. Alright, let's see if we can get a little down close candle here before we break these highs. Okay, nice. We do get that down close candle. Now let's see if we can have a clean break above this high right here before breaking these lows. We're also in that retracement area to the downside. No, not yet. Just to the upside. This is the zone I'm looking at. Oh, not anymore. Oh, are we gonna keep pushing down? We're gonna break this low. Yep, okay. Just want to double check that we didn't hit this 50% level yet. No. Okay. Okay, this will be interesting to see what kind of happens at this level right here. This 144 low is at 44.25. This 144 low is at 44.5. Okay. I would say as long as we don't close, or we don't go a tick below this low right here, and we are able to close above here, we should be good for longs. Also, since we are in this retracement area, yeah, I could see a potential long. If we're able to close above here, then we do get our model play, as long as we don't break this low. But it's kind of giving we might break that low. But you can kind of see on this 144, we do get some bearish deltas. Oh, all right, we broke below, so no longer valid. But I would be interested in going long once price comes back here, actually. Dang. Does price want to come back to this level that I have drawn here? Yeah, we are in that retracement zone on the 233, but nothing's really happening. Yeah, I'm just gonna be right back. You know, price, I would be interested in going long here. Oh wow, look at that buying right there. I might join in. Ooh, I was close to pressing that buy button. Nah, I don't think I like that. Yeah, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, look at that. We bounced from there. Wow, I'm too nice with it. Ooh, we do get our model play on the 233 though. Oh, actually, no, we do not. There's something missing. Wow, I'm too nice with it. I should have entered there, but that's alright. Maybe I'll enter now. No, it'll be way too late. I'm tempted to. Just because I saw this 89R candle close fairly bullish. But you can see that we're in the retracement area on the 144. Where's my mouse? Right there. I don't think we'll get our model play to the downside here. I do think we will keep pushing out. Yeah, like just right above here, there's like this whole section of low volume, which is why we rejected. Oh, we actually do get our model to the downside here. Look at that. Now wait for the price to retrace. Oh, just to here. Okay. So let's see what happens if we get a little bit of down move before breaking up these highs. Then we have our model play. Nope. Seems like we already broke the high of it, so I don't think I'm gonna trust it. This high is at 86.75. This high is at 87. Yeah, I'm not gonna trust it. We are rejecting though. Do I trust it or do I not? It's a real question. Are we gonna break this low right here? Oh, my keyboard died. Get back up. There we go. So do we trust it even though we get a close below here? I don't know. I would definitely trust it a lot more if we didn't close above this high. Because now we're also in a retracement zone. To the downside, or to the upside, I mean. 144. I'm tempted to go short, but I think it's a little too late. I need price to retrace back into here. The 144 candle did close to the downside, pretty bearish. I could try for a quick scalp. I'd rather have price come up here. And now that I do see price kind of continuing to the downside, I do trust this zone a little bit more. I would like to enter short around this black level if I could. Dang. Price just started to go down, unfortunately. Yeah. Definitely way too late for me to try to enter short. I mean, could still go for it because this 89R did close fairly bearish. But it's, I think, way too big of a stop loss for me. $233 candles about to close to the downside with some decent bearish numbers. It literally just closed. 144 still hasn't closed to the downside yet, but the 233 did. I'm so tempted to go short, like it's crazy, but can't do it. I'm being very strict with my entries and everything. $144 though, it's looking good to the downside, but we are kind of approaching a low volume node at the 20-25 area. So we do get that 144 candle to close. It would be nice if we can kind of get like a little retracement back into here. I'm tempted to go short. I really am. Everything's like lining up. But my original entry is ideally right here. Oh yeah, I like this short. I can't enter it though. It's way too far down. I'm just gonna have to watch and cry. Unless I enter here. My stop was above here. Boom, sell. Imagine I press that sell. Oh, we would have been at break even right now. I think it was like around 22. You see, I knew it's gonna be going down, but I'd just rather play it safe than sorry, to be honest. Ooh, yeah. Definitely had multiple opportunities to enter. Probably should have taken a shot once price kind of came in somewhat close to here, but didn't really do it. It's just this was not giving me confidence because we broke above this high. If we did not break above this high, I would have been fine with it. Even though, yeah, you know, it was one tick, it did break above it. The high was at 86.75. This high is at 87. It was one tick that broke above it. But I don't know, I just wasn't feeling too good about it at that time. Then everything else kind of started lining up. And I also got I was a little hesitant on entering shorts because I know there was a low volume node in this area, but we did kind of just zoom past that. I guess there was a low volume node right around this area where we're kind of touching right now. I think we'll probably have a bounce somewhere in this area. Because also it's a 1 to 4 that play would have been. $377 is about to close fairly bearish. Alright, let's continue this match. It's unfortunate. Where are we? if I can get his king to move to like here or over here, dang, look, we just keep going down now. Oh, that 233 looks nice. I'm very tempted to enter short. I'm very tempted. We kind of went straight through this low volume node. I'm so tempted for that 233. Brother. I have FOMO right now. Yeah, and if I entered when that 233 candle closed, would have hit our 10-point PT. Yeah, major FOMO right now for sure. Major FOMO. I'll give it like another 10 or so minutes to see if we're able to like get some sort of retracement back into here. Yeah, definitely not gonna enter it when price is all the way down here. Okay, so how can we get like this king? Because if I get my horsey there, then you know, get the king, I can get this guy. I think it's called like a skew or a fork or something. Or I can somehow protect this guy. Or I can maybe do is play my queen here. He's gonna bring this guy out. I take him with my horse. Then he's probably gonna want to take this guy. Then I can swoop in and take him. You know what? Yeah, let's try that. I did not really see that one. Okay, well, it seems like my horse, he might be gone. I didn't realize he would move his horse there. If I retrace all the way back, obviously that would be ideal. But then my horse, he's not being protected. Is there any way I can try to put this guy in check? Yeah, I can go right there. But then even so, if I put him in check, he's just probably gonna take me with either his bishop there or the queen. I can see that we're in a retracement area on the 144, but I don't see any of a certain one of the confluences that I look for. Because I could go here. If I go here, then obviously I could try to take his horse, but then queen takes mine. But in doing so, even if he takes mine, then he'll be in check. So I guess I'll do that. And then I'll try to move my horse. Touche. Okay, I think this is going to be a stuck position for right now. I move this guy there, then he takes it. I take him, then his bishop can just take me. Move that guy there. I see my conundrum here. I should have moved this guy there before. We're gonna have to retrace. Yeah, he's just cleaning me off right now. God damn. This guy's getting me. He's getting me good. Dang, I think I have to retrace there. Alright, we're trying to play a little quick. Let's get his queen to move. Oh. So the queen cannot go there. Can't go there, so queen's kind of trapped, right? Or the king's kind of trapped, excuse me. We're kind of coming in the retracement area, actually here, for the longs. So let's see if we get our model here. If we get our model here, I wouldn't be opposed for a little bit of a bounce here in this area. Ugh. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, we do get some down close candles, so I wouldn't like to see price push up before we go past this low. So I'd like to see price continue pushing up and hold this level. So we're gonna have 2 consecutive green close or up close candles here. Let's also be aware of the 144 here. We kind of did just touch it, but one of the other confluences I look for has not shown up, even though it seems like we do get our model play here, but I need another confluence to happen in order for us to get that entry, which we do not. And we get that break of a low, so now this low is not respected. We get remove that, and we're still in that retracement area to the upside. So let's see if we can get our model to show up before we hit like the 70 area, because once we hit that 70 area, it seems like this will be a 144 candle close, the one that's forming right now. And once that happens, I kind of disregard the trade. Okay, we're getting a small push up. And now it's kind of just touching the lows of our old model. Okay, let's see if we can get a push down. We do not. I would have preferred to see a push down before we broke this high. Right there. If we end up closing above this high before breaking these lows, then maybe I'll be a little interested in the longs. It seems like price wants to break the below this low. I mean, I'm completely fine if it breaks below this low, to be honest. If we can get like a wick below and then get our model play. And excuse me, we do get a break above, like a tick below this low. This low is at 78, this low at 77.75. So yeah, we do break this low. Get some buying. 41. We get our model play here. It'll be a little tough to get the model play here. We need this to be a down close followed by 2 up close. Okay, nope. And you can see like our old model does work, but I'm using my extra confluences to really be sure to enter the trade properly. Okay, that 144 candle did close to the downside, so this is neglected, disregarded. And now we just keep playing our chess game. Actually, 233 candle does look nice to the downside. I'll give it until 9:30, so 2 hours of just watching the market, and if by then I don't see anything, then I'm done for the day. I'm calling it. I think that's gonna be like my actual cutoff, the 2 hour mark. Let's see if we can get a retracement into here. Actually, we're fairly close to getting a retracement into there. All right, where are we at on this one? Oh, we touched that 50% level. This candle high is at 82. This candle high is at 87. Is that right? Oh, it's at 87. This candle high is also at 87. Okay, now the queen can move there. If the queen really wanted to. So we might get our model play here actually, but I don't know how much I like it because this is equal highs right here. This high is at 87. This high is also at 87. I definitely just stuck around to see if price is able to give me another entry, because I definitely have FOMO for sure from missing that short opportunity. It was a great opportunity, but price didn't touch the order block perfectly like how I wanted it to. So therefore no entry. I would like for us to kind of break this high, and then we can start to have our model form to the downside. Okay, let's see if we keep pushing to the downside. It's got to be clean close to the downside right here. Which is not, so we get rid of this zone. And this one might be a clean one, potentially. Excuse me. Give the market another 15 or so minutes. Okay, now we get rid of the zone. We are also in the 377 retracement area to the upside. So I have been like kind of just looking at the 89R to see if like we get a potential play, which we actually might here. I would like to see a break of this high and then potential shorts. At least on this time frame. So we do get that break of the high, which is good. Now let's see what happens here. Just making sure that the 89R is like good. This high is at 85.75. This one 88.25. Yeah, so close above. Okay. We are getting pushed to the downside, but let's see if we are able to have our model play. But no, we do not get our model play, unfortunately, there. If we break this low, that 89 play is gone. The 89R. It seems like we might break this low, to be honest. As of right now, I have no interest on the 144. We do have that sell order here, this bubble. So I'll be curious to see if we close above it or close below it. Oh, and we're gonna push down. Yep, new lows were made. So we're not really interested in anything right now. So we're going to continue with this chess match. We have 10 more minutes until it's been 2 hours. All right, what to do? I can attack his horsey. Do that. Touche, my friend. I might castle here. Yeah. Did a nice little castle. It's fine. You can take that guy. might have to retrace. Free guy right there. But if I move that guy, then this guy's free for the taking. Oh, god dang it, are you kidding me? This rook is gonna... Oh, I didn't realize the horse was gonna... Alright, well, obviously I'm gonna have to go there. He's probably gonna take this guy. Yep. And then, just like that, we're gonna take him back. Oh, no, I didn't realize that. We're gonna go right there. Dang, this spot's killing me. We're just gonna go there. What? Can't go there, can't go there, can't go there, can't go there. Probably would have been wise to move my queen here, so then he wouldn't be able to check me. Oops. Oops. Alright, we're done playing chess for right now. We have like 5-6 more minutes until it's 2 hours, and then we're just gonna log off. Just waiting, sitting, nothing much going on. I mean, I'm not upset with today because, you know, we're still green. Yeah, it doesn't seem like we're gonna get that retracement to the 50% level. Yeah, especially like now too, it's like lunchtime and EST. Markets tend to go a little bit slower at this time. Oh, we are pushing up a little bit. Okay, we do push up into that retracement area. Okay, since we are nearing, it's only a minute left until it's been the 2 hours. So I think this will be the last opportunity that that I kind of look for. So I kind of just want to see if this high gets broken or not. If it does get broken, then I might just call it for the day. Okay, it hasn't broken yet. I would like to see a little bounce here, which we do get. Nice. Now let's try to break this low right here. Also, we do got to be mindful that we are in that retracement area to the upside as well, or nearing. But I don't think I'll see any opportunity for potential upside. So I think the big thing is if we can hold below these 2 bubbles or the circles. It's 81 and 43. So if we do break this high, I will wait until the 144 kind of closes, or we break above this 100% level. So here we're going to need 2 consecutive down close candles at least. Okay, we do break that high. So I'm just kind of waiting for this 144 candle to close or break above this black line up here. Once that does happen, then I will log off. So I'm just waiting, being patient. It's the name of the game. We got the close below. That's unfortunate. Because now we're not gonna have our model play. I'm just waiting for this 144 candle to close. That's forming. Once it closes, yeah, I think I'll log off. So we can see that we are also in this retracement area. But I do not see one of the confluences that I need in order to enter a trade. Still just waiting for that 144 candle to kind of close. Because like what could happen is like we could also break above this high and then just get my model play again. It does seem like we probably get our model play to the upside here, or like at like a partial portion of it. Curious to see what happens, because I wouldn't be opposed to going long in this area actually. I need price to kind of come back into here at the 67.25. $144 candle's about to close. Once it closes, I'm no longer interested in shorts. and I will be logging off. Alright, we get that 144 candle close to the upside. So that's my cue. I do have major FOMO from not taking that short position. That's also why I was waiting to see if market would give me another option to like enter in another trade. But as I do my recap video in a little bit, I guess I'll see if I get another opportunity or not. But if I don't see anything, then I'm not going to take anything. And we're being very strict with ourselves for now, for sure, because we had about maybe 2 red days or so within the past like week of trading. And you know, I just really wanted to figure out what's kind of happening. Why am I taking these L's in comparison to the winners that I was taking for like a month and a half straight? So I think I've maybe figured it out, a better entry condition. And oh yeah, like we kind of retrace back into this area that I want. If we can close above here, actually, I'm gonna take this entry long. Not me taking a position as my, as I was doing the outro. Yeah, I actually do like this. The 89 candle is gonna close fairly, yeah. Let me see if we can get it just push back in there.
Order submitted.
Stop just below here. I do like this position still. The 89R is showing like a nice blue cyan candle. Yes, we are retracing a little bit, which I'm not the biggest fan of, I would say. This might actually end up being an L. I just don't like how much it's retracing. We haven't gotten a green up close candle. Yeah, wow. I should have just left it how I had the day, to be honest. Oh, that's unfortunate.
Stop filled.
Yep, stop filled. Oh, I definitely should have just left it. Yeah, you see this, I told you there was this one long area that we had our model here, but I didn't have another confluence that I needed that to happen around here. And it's just unfortunate. Okay. Well, that happened. Yep, that happened. Let's see if we can actually make our money back. Right here. We get another little model entry here. We need price to pull back a little bit first. let's get a slight push down. Need a little bit more of a push to the downside. Okay, we do get it. Now let's see if we are able to close above this high. So it seems like my long entries kind of were valid, but I did enter a little too soon. I do like this. For a long, I would like price to kind of come back into this area. I might take an early entry here though. Just because the 144 candle did close to the upside.
Order
I'm gonna take a
submitted.
nice little early entry. Right now I would do that. Target maybe above here. This might be a good spot, but let's aim for that 50% level. Okay, we're in the area of interest now.
Order filled. Order
Those are
filled.
That's fine. Oof, we actually just kind of just went straight through. I'm gonna purchase
Order
2
submitted.
more, yep, and exit at break even if I can. Maybe just a little bit below break even actually. Dang. Might get stopped out here. Definitely will, actually. And you see, so 2 times there, I didn't follow my models. And you can see that we're going to be getting stopped out 2 times. Just because I didn't follow my model. So I think what I'm going to maybe do is... maybe just solely focus on the 34 and the 144. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna end up pushing up. I think I will get stopped out here. I was fairly close to getting out of break even as well. Just about 2 points off.
Stop filled.
Yep, and we got the stop filled. That's very unfortunate. Very unfortunate, I would say. Dang, it's alright. It's alright. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna end it there. No more trades for me, for sure. Yeah, I think for now I'm just gonna do 1 trade and done for the day. I'm doing a little too much right now. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to do just one trade a day instead of just waiting, because I would have been done like 2 hours ago, and I would have had all this free time to just do whatever. So I'm definitely just gonna be done. It's unfortunate. I definitely should not have taken this entry here, and I definitely should not have taken that entry prematurely. The reason why I entered prematurely was just because I saw the 144 candle close, and I wanted to get my gains back, but instead we just lost way more. So it is what it is. I need to be following my model to the T. So with that being said, follow your model. Do not deviate like how I've been deviating for these past couple of days, and I've just been on a losing streak, I would say, because I have not been following my model. But you can see, like, the first trade I took, I did follow my model and everything worked out well. And then I also got FOMO from shorts up here, from a short position that I saw but I didn't enter. It was right here. I also could have gone long right here, but I didn't enter. So I definitely have some FOMO, but it just ended up me losing more money. So that being said, just stay true to your rules and everything, and peace.